a big goofball.
Yeah, please do that.
I grew up loving horror films and watching creature features with my dad on Saturday nights. It's an homage to horror films. I wanted to make like a nice tree-lined street that looks calm and peaceful, but then when you look inside the houses, all this chaos and horror is going on. In a way, it's also a critique on our society. You know, America the Beautiful is, you know, hot dogs and apple pie, but really violence is more acceptable than sex on TV. And there's video of Tippi Hedren being attacked, which I find very interesting after seeing the recent movie, The Girl, which is about Alfred Hitchcock and how he interacted with Tippi Hedren.
Cover your faces! Cover your eyes!
This is Nightmare on Elm Street, and I enjoyed this movie when I was young. It wasn't one of my all-time favorites, but the house is so recognizable. And then the inside was so fun to do because there's blood everywhere.
Actually, they were more like finger knives or something.
Watch this.
This is the house from Halloween. Halloween was the movie that scared me the most of all of every single movie when I was young. Up here in the closet, there's a video of Jamie Lee Curtis in the closet and Michael Myers trying to get at her.
Behind that boy's eyes was purely and simply evil.
This is Amityville Horror, which is another one of my favorites from when I was younger. And in the bathroom, there's some black gunk coming out of the sink and in the bathtub, which is from the movie. And then the video has the priest with all the bees and the sound of the bees attacking him.
Your top 3 horror films.
Okay, so I just thought of a new one. It's a French film called High Tension that was scary as hell, and I saw it in the movie theater with no one in the movie theater, and I was scared that someone was going to be behind me. That and Halloween and Psycho, but then also there's Texas Chainsaw Massacre.